Welcome guys to the Crochet Biz channel. In this video tutorial we will crochet half moon. Before, I have already posted video tutorial and also written tutorial with full moon, new moon, dachshund, crescent, waning crescent and gibbous, but someone said that I forgot about half moon or first or third quarter. And honestly, I didn't forget, I just thought it will be easier to make. But still, I've got not one request to make this half moon. So this is the video tutorial, complementary video tutorial to my previous video tutorial with moon phases. Today I'm going to use Karen Simply Soft yarn. The shade is a little bit different, and 3.5 millimeters crochet hook. Here it is, the yarn. I'm going to start with white color. Make a magic ring and chain 3. Now make 6 double crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one do not finish. Pull through 2, and when you have 2 loops on your hook, here we are going to change the color. Take the blue color and pull through last 2 loops on your hook. Now carry all tails and color not in use loosely across the top or edge of the magic ring. Pull the white color here and make 6 more double crochet. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one. Again, do not finish. Yarn over, pull through 2, and when you have 2 loops on your hook, pick up again the white color yarn and pull through last 2 loops. Now find the white tail and close the circle. Find first double crochet, not chain 3 but first double crochet. Insert the hook and please place the color that you are not using, in my case it is blue, on top of the hook and join with slip stitch in this way. The first round is ready. Now round number 2, again chain 3 into the same stitch as join. Here it is. One carry color not in use along the edge in this way, and start with 2 double crochet into the same stitch as join. 1, 2. Now again 2 double crochet in next stitch, and again 2 double crochet in each stitch, in every white stitch. 2 double crochet. Here is the last white stitch. Again we make 1 double crochet And the next one, the second one, do not finish. Stop when you have two loops. Pick up the blue color and pull through last two loops on your hook. Now carry the white color along the edge and go on making 2 double crochet in each stitch. I forgot one more here. So in total 12 blue double crochet and 12 white double crochet, or 24 double crochet. And the last stitch, 1 double crochet, and the second one again, do not finish. Grab the white color, yarn over and pull through last 2 loops. Now find the first double crochet, again place the blue color on top of the hook and join with slip stitch. Chain 3 and now make 1 double crochet into the same stitch as join. After that, 2 double crochet in next stitch and repeat 1 double crochet in next stitch and then 2 double crochet in next stitch after. Do not forget that you always carry color not in use along the edge. And again 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet in next stitch. One double crochet, 2 double crochet, one double crochet, 2 double crochet, and the second one again, do not finish. Grab the blue color and finish last double crochet. Now again 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochet, one double crochet, 2 double crochet, one double crochet, two double crochet, one double crochet and 2 double crochet, and here finish the second double crochet because we are going to make a border after and we will use the blue color. Here what we have now join into the first double crochet with slip stitch, chain 1, Now make 1 single crochet into the same stitch as join, then 1 single crochet in next stitch, and then 2 single crochet. And let's repeat. 1 1 2 single crochet, 1 1 2 single crochet, 1 1 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 1 2 1 1 2. Please go on and finish this round, repeating 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet till the end. That's what I have, and now you can cut the yarn. I'm going to use a yarn needle, thread the tail. So here's our first single crochet, as you may see, and I'm going to insert the yarn needle underneath the second single crochet. So in this way, from front to back underneath both loops, and now insert the needle into the center of the last single crochet. Pull the tail, and voila. If you do not skip first single crochet, you will get at the end one extra stitch. It will not be visible. You can repeat the joining method with first single crochet, but if you're going to use this half moon afterwards, I don't know, maybe you're going to make a square or incorporate it somewhere, so just pay attention that you will have one extra stitch if you're going to join with first single crochet. Weave in all ends and you are done. For the garland or Christmas tree decoration, make the second side just end, sew both sides together. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I really hope you enjoyed it and it was easy for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I wish you all a good day and see you soon.